Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Today we are going to start with active English, and this is chapter 8, part 1. Children, we have divided this part in two, part 1 and part 2, to understand the chapter better. And today we are going to learn the usage of word to. Now, to means what? To is an adverb and it means more than enough. To means more than enough. It is also used as also, but here we are going to use it as more than enough. For example, the sentences are: I'm too fat, it's too hard, the handle of the cup is too hot. So here to means more than enough. Now, to will be used before verb or adjective. So, let us start with our exercise. Now, children, read the heading. Join the sentence together using to. Now, here two sentences are given and you have to join it and you have to make one sentence. So when we are joining two sentences means we are making one sentence, one simple sentence with some changes. Yes, when we are joining two sentences we are going to do some changes. Now let us see what changes we are going to do. Ready? Okay. Now see the sentence. We'll read the question over here. My cat can't play now. She is too sleepy. Now, too is an adverb and it will be used before verb or adjective. Now, here my cat. So, we are going to take my cat is too sleepy. Now, here we are not going to use she because we are already using my cat. My cat is too sleepy. Children, pay attention on the sentence. My cat is too sleepy. So here I am not going to take she because I am already writing as my cat. My cat is too sleepy. Now I have to join the other sentence. My cat is too sleepy to play. Now here my cat can't play. So I am going to write my cat is too sleepy to play now. So my cat is too sleepy to play now. So my cat is sleepy, so she is not able to play now, right? So my cat is too sleepy to play. I have not used she because I have already written my cat. My cat is too sleepy. Now sleepy is verb. To is adverb. To do what? To play. Why she is too sleepy? For what she is too sleepy? To play. So my cat is too sleepy to play now. Let us jump on the second one. Can you see the picture what the elephant is doing? Right? So now read the question. The elephant cannot go through the door. It is too huge. The elephant cannot go through the door. It is too huge. Now I am going to join both the sentences. Now how I am going to join it? So I am going to use the elephant. So the elephant is what? Elephant is noun. So the elephant is what? The elephant is too huge. To do what? To go through the door. The elephant is too huge to go through the door. Now here I will not use cannot because see, the elephant is too huge means it is obvious if the elephant is too huge, the elephant is not able to go through the door. So the answer is framed like this. The elephant is too huge. Now huge is what? Yes, huge is adjective. The elephant is too huge to go through the door. Now see the third one. The stick will not break. It is too thick. Now children, we are not going to write the negative word nor cannot, not, we are not going to write it. Now here the stick will not break. It is too thick. Children, read it again. The stick will not break. It is too thick. Now here when I'll frame the sentence, when I'll join the sentence into one, how I'm going to write it? The stick is what? The stick is too thick. The stick is too thick. Now as I told you, too is adverb and thick is adjective. Now the stick is too thick to break. The stick is thick. So the stick is not able to break. So no need to write, no need to add not in the sentence. The stick is too thick to break. The stick is too thick to break. Now see the fourth one. The horse cannot be trained. It is too young. The horse cannot be trained. It is too young. Now how we are going to join the sentence? Yes, the horse is too young. The horse is too young. Now young is adjective. The horse is too young to be trained. The horse is too young to be trained. The horse is too young to be trained. We have not added cannot in the sentence. Now I have not added it also because I have already used the noun as the horse. Now see the fifth one. Read it. He could not see over the wall. He could not see over the wall. He was too small. He could not see over the wall. He was too small. Now how we are going to join the sentence? Yes, I'll tell you. First I will show you, then I'll explain you. See, this is, I have used the second sentence like I have started. He was too small. To do what? So he was too small to see over the wall. He was too small. He is very small, so he is not able to see over the wall. So I have not used not over here. Instead of that, he was too small to see over the wall. I'll read it again. He was too small to see over the wall. Now we'll start with the sixth one. The question is, he did not make a mistake. He was too clever. Now children, as you all know, we are starting the sentence with noun or pronoun. So we are going to start with he, because in both the sentence there is pronoun he. Now he was too clever. Now he was too clever to do what? To make a mistake. So we are not going to write here in the sentence did and to. Instead of that, we are going to write to make a mistake. So he was too clever to make a mistake. So the answer is like this. He was too clever to make a mistake. Now children, let's start with our activity. Now again the same heading, and here you all are going to give the answers. So take out your rough book, take out your pencil and be ready to note down the answer. Now the heading is join the sentence together using to, and the question is the box will not go under the table. It is too big. Now here you can see the big box and a table. Now here big box is not able to go inside the under the table. So the box is not able to go under the table. Why? Because the box is too big. Now here the sentence will start like this. The box is too big. Now I'll not use it because I've already used the box. The box is too big to go under the table. So the sentence will form like this. The box is too big to go under the table. Now the next one, the piece of paper will not go into the desk. It is too white. Now how you all are going to join the sentence. So the piece of paper, you're going to start with the piece of paper is too white to go into the desk. The piece of paper is too wide to go into the desk. Let's see the answer. The piece of paper is too wide to go into the desk. Now children, the third one, the ruler will not go into my bag. The ruler will not go into my bag. It is too long. Now here, how you all are going to frame the answer. The ruler is too long. The ruler is too long to go into my bag. To go into my bag. The ruler is too long to go into my bag. Now see the fourth one. No one can carry the bag. It is too heavy. No one can carry the bag. It is too heavy. Now children, I already told you we are not going to use negative words like no, not. Okay. So instead that we have to choose some another word to write it in the sentence. So what we are going to do now? Now we are going to start with yes. The bag is too heavy. So we have started with the bag. Now the bag is too heavy for anyone to carry. The bag is too heavy for anyone to carry. Thank you.